Good afternoon. I'm Dave Marshall, and in my career as a CPA attorney, I've seen and worked with a number of startup ventures. But as an investor and mentor in health wildcatters and now tech wildcatters, I've found a remarkably rewarding experience that has allowed me to meet a number of bright, energetic entrepreneurs and gain insight into creative applications of technology to solve business and consumer challenges. GruupMeet is an excellent combination of an extraordinary team and thoughtful technology to improve the logistics and the success of business meetings. From small private company gatherings to global corporate conferences, GruupMeet's mobile platform can be used to coordinate travel arrangements, plan meetings, and manage follow-up or feedback to the meeting in an incredibly efficient fashion. I'd like for you to join me in welcoming Marcia Louviere, co-founder and CEO of GruupMeet.
Dave, thank you so much for that introduction, and I want to thank all the mentors that have put up with some of our crazy antics over the last 3 months. My name is Marcia Louviere, and I'm the co-founder of GruupMeet. Most of you in the audience have probably had to travel to attend a business meeting or conference, but I bet you haven't had to plan one. For the last 8 years, I've worked directly with meeting planners, managing everything from transportation to special events for groups of 50 to 2,500. We saw an opportunity and created GruupMeet so that meetings can focus on people instead of managing constantly changing logistics. Imagine that Pfizer is bringing all of their Viagra sales reps together for a meeting. You know that's going to be a big group with a huge budget. And this is just the tip of the iceberg of all the companies and players that would get involved in making this meeting happen and come together. This starts to look like a mess, creating layers of people who have to share information. Communication becomes difficult and inefficient, and most things are still done manually with few innovations past the use of an Excel spreadsheet. Meanwhile, those sales reps in charge of growing the company's revenue and the whole reason for this meeting are left completely out of the loop. GruupMeet brings all the parties together onto one platform so that companies can save thousands of dollars just on additional staff costs, and planners can save valuable time spent on managing meticulous details. This means that more of the meeting budget can go towards things that really matter and impact employee engagement, like an open bar. So, unlike other solutions that are out on the market, GruupMeet is comprehensive and works with the way that meetings are currently being planned because it was designed with industry knowledge. We will provide extensive analytics on attendee behavior and valuable post-meeting insight. One easy document upload and flights are continuously tracked. Transportation can be monitored. Planners can communicate with each other and with attendees. And our mobile app replaces many apps an attendee would have to use during the scope of the meeting by keeping track of their travel itineraries, meeting schedules, and all relevant meeting-related information. So far, we've had a very positive response from the market. We have signed 3 distribution contracts and have 17 companies lined up to begin beta testing. We have been featured in industry conferences and publications and named a leader in the Plan by App trend. My co-founder, Russell Wyman, and I have over 16 years of combined industry experience, including leadership positions in local associations. We worked together for several years at an event planning company as part of a sales team in charge of new client acquisition. We work directly with meeting planners, we know their pain, and we know how to get their business. After an extensive search, we stole our software engineer from an Austin startup. So you may be thinking, okay, I go to a couple meetings every year, but is there really a market for this? Well, according to a study by PricewaterhouseCoopers, important. There is. So how big is it? Well, the meetings industry may be the biggest industry that you've never heard of. It is over $560 billion globally, over $260 billion in the U.S., and companies are spending over $130 billion to send their own employees to meetings every single year. Our potential share of this market is $3.6 billion in the U.S. alone. Our current focus is on building our team, finding strategic partners, and beta testing. We have identified the top meeting planning and corporate clients to target, as well as conferences to attend and participate in to maximize our marketing budget. Because we have extensive knowledge of the industry, we have a solid strategy for how to build our business and keep our customer acquisition costs low. Knowing our market, the way our clients work, the problems they are facing, our ability to work together, and our proven track record of selling, we are confident that GruupMeet has a very bright future ahead. GruupMeet is going to change the way that meetings are operated and make people excited about having to attend them. Thank you very much.